My name is Hussam. I'm his local guide. I will show you how make the paper from Papyrus plan, and after that I choose the magic room, the best section we have here. Firstly, this is the Papyrus plant. This plant was holy and sacred plant in ancient time. Why? Because the reason. First reason, as you see the flower, looks like sun rays, symbol of Amun Ra, symbol of protection in ancient time. Second reason, as you see, a second part of the plant looks like the pyramid shape, symbol of eternity. For that, it was holy plant in ancient time. Now everybody now, you have a protection and the good luck and the happiness, okay? And me more here. Now this is the time for, I will show you how to make the paper.
Piramida e mio cubo, piramida.
Now this is for make the paper, cut a small part like this idea. And after that I will remove the green part. The green part is very stronger. For that the ancient Egyptians used it for making shoes, baskets, sandals, ropes. Inner part for paper, cut in two strips like this idea. As you see, the strips it is broken, not flexible. Why? Because it has amount of water. To get out the water, firstly use this hammer, like this idea. And after that, roll it by hand roll. Hand roll, especially for what? For pizza. Here in Egypt, for hitting a husband and the boyfriend. I think in all the world, yes? As you see now, the water out. More water out, more flexible and more stronger. Now become more stronger, more flexible as you see. Also it has amount of sugar. To get out the sugar, we leave it in water 6 days. Why? Because the sugar after that become natural glue, help the strips stuck together after that. Because the paper don't any chemical inside. What about the color of the paper? Two, one white and one brown. White, leave it in water 6 days. Brown, leave it in water 12 days. How connect the strips together? How make it one piece? Put it in between two carpet from cotton like this idea. Horizontal way, vertical way, overlap. And cover it another piece and put it under the hand press 6 days again. In ancient time, stones, 6 days in water, plus 6 days under the hand press. This is here the first paper in all the world, and also the original paper. As you see, it's very stronger, very flexible. Original paper, as you see under the light, two direction, horizontal way, vertical way, like I make it before. Make it the paper more stronger, more flexible. Original paper, as you see under the light, brown dots color. Brown dots color is called the fiber. The fiber gives the paper ability for absorb any kind of the color. Now, this is the time for the magic room. Please everybody follow me. I choose the magic room. Please everybody follow me. Inside, please. 5 birds, father, mother, and the children, and they make it a circle of the light. This is a larger size. We have a medium and a smaller size also. This is the paradise one, the best one. If you want to get something for all symbols, Horus, protection, Isis, love and happiness, Man, motherhood, justice, fertility, peace, Hathor, good luck and health, Nefertari, ask it more love, more happiness, more protection, more peace, more fertility, more good luck. Honeymoon one, especially for husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. Now, this is the time for the magic. Please look at this one and this one, these two, the eye and the paradise. I choose the magic. Please come like this. The key of life, size, after discount, I make it for you about $50. You understand me? It means 15, 25, 50. And this is $40. Thank you for listening to me and decide and choose what you want.
تمام $15.
ماكل 30 40. لف دي المكياج. لف دي and you follow me and you follow me. Choose which one you like.